The National e-Invoice System, KSeF, starts on February 1st, 2026. Semina is dedicated to directors and financial managers of all companies in Poland. Good afternoon, I'm Bartosz, and I work for Progress Holding. For 20 years, Progress Holding has been helping investors and entrepreneurs from more than 30 countries confidently enter the Polish market and successfully grow their businesses. Our team supports clients at every stage, from company registration to daily accounting and administrative services. Today, we will discuss the latest changes in the National e-Invoice System KSeF. Introduction to KSeF. National e-Invoice System, KSeF, is a platform of the Ministry of Finance for issuing, receiving, and storing structured invoices. It replaces traditional paper invoices and PDF electronic invoices, allows the submission of invoices in XML format compliant with Ministry of Finance requirements. Legal basis: Act of June 16, 2023, amending the VAT Act. Defines the obligation to use KSeF for entrepreneurs in Poland and foreign companies with a Polish VAT number NIP. Effective dates: from February 1st, 2026, mandatory for companies with annual revenue over 200 million Polish zloty. From April 1st, 2026, mandatory for all other companies, both VAT registered and non-VAT entities. Receiving invoices from large entities should begin on February 1st, 2026. Foreign companies with a Polish VAT number must register in KSeF. Entities registered in OSS. If an invoice has a Polish VAT number, it should be submitted to KSeF. Changes in invoice flow between companies after KSeF. There will be no more paper invoices. The document treated as invoice becomes only after being sent and processed in KSeF, including export invoices. Invoice changes are only possible via a new corrective invoice. No other changes are acceptable. Invoices issued on a given day must be sent to KSeF. Exception: offline mode, maximum within 24 hours. Export invoices for foreign clients must follow a defined XML schema, include a QR code, and be sent to KSeF. Cost invoices from foreign suppliers are not submitted to KSeF. There is ability to attach attachments to invoices, receipts from cash registers, simplified invoices up to 450 zlotys, not required in KSeF. Function to report scam invoices. Objectives of KSeF. From tax office and taxpayer point of view: strengthen the tax system, faster detection of irregularities and settlements, precise control of business turnover, faster VAT refunds for businesses. Questions every company should ask itself: is my current invoicing system compatible with KSeF? If not, which new system should I choose? Will my accountant provide support in implementing KSeF? Did I work out procedure describing a flow of invoices with my counterparties, especially foreign companies? What additional services can I obtain from my accounting office after KSeF is implemented? Do I have a procedure in place to verify clients, taxpayers? Invoice submission modes. There are several invoice submission modes. First, online, issued and sent on the same day, most preferred mode. KSeF identifies the invoice with the issue date. Second, offline 24, optional. Invoice issued on a given day is sent the next business day. KSeF identifies the invoice with the issue date. Third, offline 24 in case of KSeF unavailability on the taxpayer's side. Invoice issued on a given day is sent the next business day. KSeF identifies the invoice with the issue date. Fourth, offline in case of short-term KSeF unavailability. Invoice issued on a given day is sent once the system is available. KSeF identifies the invoice with the issue date. Fifth, offline in case of long-term KSeF unavailability. Invoice issued on a given day is sent within 7 days once the system is available. KSeF identifies the invoice with the issue date. Invoice visualization is via QR code on the invoice. Issued invoices and their availability to the buyer will display certificate or offline codes. Invoice sent to KSeF and reshared will appear with a KSeF ID QR code. Penalties and summary. Penalties. Financial penalties for delays or errors in KSeF will be applied from 2027. 2026 year is dedicated to KSeF, familiar to every company. But be sure tax office will pay attention to those who does not comply with the new system. Our company, Progress Holding, provides support for the clients. Development and implementation of a new document circulation procedure for the customers. Consulting on adapting invoicing systems. Training employees on KSeF usage. Progress Holding will provide application for invoicing compatible to KSeF. Be sure that with Progress Holding support, you will smoothly enter into new system. If you have any questions, contact us at office@progressholding.pl. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon.